Today, we're going to be painting over these jeans. I got these jeans from the thrift store for like $6, and I'm going to paint over them with these Posca markers and this Angelus paint. Now, this Angelus paint is acrylic specifically for leather, but it does go on other materials. Now, if you paint over fabric, I would suggest that you use water-based acrylic, but I don't have any in white right now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use what we got. As you can see, I'm starting it off with putting this base color white under, because usually if you try to go straight on fabric with color, it doesn't sit on top as well. And putting that white under base is gonna help whatever colors that sit on top actually pop a lot better. As y'all can see, I got my daughter helping me. She's drying out the first initial paint layer. Next, we're gonna go in with some Posca color markers and just freestyle color. I had no specific direction for this art, so we just gonna have some fun. I let my daughter start off with the initial color that we going with, and then we just gonna keep adding on to it. The goal here is to keep coloring inside of the white part, just because we want all the colors to kind of pop a lot more than if we went directly on the fabric. It'll just kind of set into the jeans and it won't sit as well. And I think Posca markers is perfect for this because it is acrylic at the end of the day, so I think it will sit better. But I will say, as we was coloring, some of the markers was bleeding a little extra, like this right here, and then some of them kind of took a little longer to even get the color out, so we had to like press it a little more. It was a little dry. All right, this is the second layer of colors right here. I let my daughter dry it out again, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go over it with a black Posca marker this time around and just kind of add a bit more detail to it. At this point, I am aiming for kind of like an abstract style, but adding that fine line marker would kind of give it like an artistic style that I kind of like. Alright, now that I'm done with the art on the jeans, I'm gonna go ahead and dry out that last layer, and then we're gonna go ahead and walk over to the dryer and throw it in there. Now, the last time I painted on fabric, it did not last long. It was cracky after a few washes and everything, so I heard that throwing it in the dryer would help the paint settle into the fabric. This is the final result of the painting on the jeans. I personally really like it. It definitely got a fun feel to it. And I did cut the bottom of the jeans just because for these specific jeans, they was kind of tight at the bottom for my liking. So I will say a few of my critiques is it is a bit stiff. I'm not gonna lie. I don't mind that on jeans too much, but I was hoping that it'll have a softer feel. Maybe it's because of the white base paint that I use. Like, listen to the sound. I also did the crack test on it a little bit, and it's already not holding up the best. It's already like a little cracky. I chose not to keep going just because I do still want to wear these. Anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.